Hi there, Ryan the Sash Guy for Fenster Components. I'm here working on my buddy's house, and I thought I'd show you how to take out some sashes and change some jamb liners. Come on in, I'll show you. I've done this demonstration in the showroom on one of our models, but I thought I'd do it out here in the field just to prove that it can be done on any normal house. So, compression fit jamb liners on a double hung window, tilt-in sashes. I'm going to show you real quick on how to pull these sashes out, pull the jamb liners out. We're not putting new jamb liners in this time, but the procedure is going to be exactly the same. So here we go. Put your sash up and you're going to press outward on the plastic and just pull the sash until it releases very easily. Tilt it in towards you. Now you have pins that are in the terminal ends here. You want to tilt this just to one side until one of them pops out, and then you can pull the other side out just like that. There's your bottom sash. Top sash comes out the same way, a little more difficult because you have to get past both of those tracks, but same process, just kind of a little bit at a time. Press in on the compression jamb liner till it frees up. There you go. Usually you don't want to crack anything or break anything off, so easily to one side, pops right out. Okay, to remove your jamb liners, compression fit jamb liner, typically a flange mounted jamb liner, has wings on the edges that lock into grooves on the jamb of the window. All you're doing is prying those loose, and so you can slowly work them out. So putty knife or a painter's 5-in-1 tool works great for this. I just start one side and work that out, and see now it exposes that flange that was back in that groove. You want to work that out a little bit at a time. You don't want to crack the trim off. Now that you're loose at the bottom, you can kind of start to wiggle it free and pull it out. Even if you have your blind brackets in the way, you can pull that out from behind there. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Work it loose till it frees up, and it'll slide right out of there. Okay, now if you're watching this to learn how to put new jamb liners in, we're going to pretend that these are the new ones that you bought from Fenster Components, and we're going to put the new ones right back in the same way we took the old ones out. Start working that in there. Make sure it's pushed all the way up to the top. I usually like to get one whole side locked in first, and we'll take our putty knife. Okay, now we'll do this side and you'll be able to see a little bit better what I did. I'm just going to squeeze that together at the top. Get that to work up behind my bracket. Pop one side in. And there you go. Jamb liners are in. Now, in reverse, so either you're putting your old sashes back in, or you were replacing this with a Fenster quick sash kit, you'd be putting your new sashes into some place. So, tilted to one side, we're going to even these up until those pins lock back in. We're going to make sure we're nice and straight. Okay, slowly tilt that up, and I kind of push down at the same time. Make sure that those balances are engaging. Right back into place. Do the same with our lower. That pin in, drop this pin into place. Tilt up. And there you go.